Hi and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be learning about throw statement in JavaScript. The throw statement throws a user-defined exception. Execution of the current function will stop. The statements after throw won't be executed and control will be passed to the first catch block in the call stack. If no catch block exists among other caller functions, the program will terminate. So let's see an example of the throw statement. Let me create a new block, sudo mkdir throw. Okay, sudo chmod -r 777 throw cd throw, and I'm going to use the Sublime editor. Throw.html. I need the script blocks here. Okay, so first of all we are going to define a function called getArea, getRectArea, and this function receives width and height. Okay, within this function what we are going to do is we are going to say if is not a number and pass in width, and or is not a number, height. Then we throw an exception with the throw keyword or the throw statement that says parameter is not a number. Basically this is an elegant way of letting the user know that the parameters you have passed are not a number. And here we are going to use the try catch block, and here I'm going to call the function getRectArea. Here I'm going to pass the width as a valid number and height as an invalid input, that is character A. And this is the function call, and here we are going to catch the function and say Console.log E. Now let's save this file, and if I go to my projects folder to run this file JavaScript, and here it is. If I double click it, and if I open my developer tools, more tools, developer tools, console tab, you can see it says reference error, isNan is not defined at rectArea. IsNan is not defined. So if I close the try catch block, let's see what happens. Save it and refresh it. Now it says isNan is not defined at rectArea. If I only throw, it says parameter is not a number. So now our code is working. It should be this and, not or. Okay, so if I say if is not a number, height, throw, parameter is not a number. So let's try this. Okay, it's not catching this. I'm not sure why it passes this way. Okay, if I remove the try catch block, now let's try this. And if I remove this one, and now we are getting our uncaught parameter is not a number. So I can say our throw statement. If I save this, now we get our own customized error that says parameter is not a number or throw statements. And if we have this in try catch block, catch E Console.log e, and if I refresh my browser, now it's giving an error in an elegant way. It is not read or in browser exception. So that is how you can use the throw statement. The syntax of the throw statement is throw expression. Expression is the expression to throw, that can be a string. So you can say throw error 2, throw 42, throw true, throw new error required, etc. Also note that the throw statement is affected by automatic semicolon insertion, as no line terminator between the throw keyword and expression is allowed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also contact me if you need any help. Thanks.